today we are going to discuss on work from home versus office work. And we are we are total six members in our group. Me, Siddharam, Shruti, Abuli, and Jinendra and Merina. First of all, I would like to talk about this pandemic situation. Due to this, we all know that we are stuck in our homes, and because of this, every organizations, offices, colleges, and uh, schools are working from home only. Yes, ma'am, I'm done with my introduction. As we all know that there are many benefits while working from home. One of the most important is money benefit. People who are working from home can enjoy money benefits from the expenses like gas, transportation, parking charges, car maintenance, etc. This is very helpful to solve money. From the earlier study and research, it is found that employees are enjoying a healthier and happier work life. Working from home has been shown to lower stress and provide more time for hobbies and interests. It is also lead to better health in variety of ways. That is more time for physical activities and less exposure to illness. While work from home, your schedule can be your own. We all know that a lot of work can be done nowadays with the help of a flexible schedule. For example, if we get just 10 minutes while working hour, we can do something that just wouldn't be possible in traditional office, like take a refreshing power nap and come back work feeling more refreshed. Yes, Sabuli, you can discuss your point now.
Yes, Swapnil. I can say it all changed with the COVID-19 crisis. Even companies who never thought work from home was possible for them had to make the shift. A popular survey has found that nearly 65% of employees are more productive in their home office than in traditional workplace. But we all know that one statistic cannot be answer to all the questions. I can also say that due to COVID-19 pandemic, many companies allowed their employees to work from home. So some employees are happy with it, but some are not comfortable with it. There are some pros and cons with work from home option for both the employees and companies. What do you think about this, Jinendra?
Yeah, yeah, right, Abul. So let's see the advantages and disadvantages, positive and negative points of work from home and work from office. Guys all know that there are many benefits while working from home. Like first one, location, independence. We can sit anywhere and we can do any work comfortably. You can style your workspace anyway. You can save money. You can make your schedule. You can stay out as office politics, and the important one is you can give your time to your close ones, your parents, family, friends. And on another hand, we also have many disadvantages of it, like less in spoil, risk of security, issue in communication costs, willpower, network issues, and boredom, and many more. Yeah. Siddha, what do you think about it?
Yes, yes, Chinendra. Also, an office environment is always beneficial for those people who are keen on daring about the company. This is where office workers maximize their benefits. Also, they meet daily thoughts and week build the better lines of communication than those who don't. There are also advantages and disadvantages of work from office. In office, we can manage the time, and also there was an timing of work just like a reporting time and gate closing time. We can also estimate the how many time we required for do those work. Offices usually have fixed hours for work, lunch and tea break. In office environment is always beneficial for those people who are been learning about the company. If you are planning to work for a very long period, then an office job would be a great opportunity to know everything about them. Yes, Shruti, what's your opinion on that one?
Yes, Siddharam. Well, it is essential to choose the environment you will be focused on. When you're at the office, maybe the idea of staying under a warm blanket and typing at your laptop may seem attractive. When you're home, perhaps the idea of working is buzzing. Office laughing with the co-workers may seem more fun. Am I right, Medina?
Yes, Shruti, of course you're right. Even I have another point on it. That is, according to the 2020 State of Business Communication Report, face-to-face communication is still the most preferred communication method among employees. And no, this doesn't include video conferences or video chat. This is something that one can get only in an office space. This is also opens up immense opportunities for networking. Apart from business planning, human beings are social creatures and crave active conversation. Sharing a cup of coffee or interacting during lunchtime can go a long way in building lasting relationships.
Yes, Medina.
Yeah,
My next point is work environment. The right work ambience boosts productivity, while the wrong one can be harshly detrimental to it. When the working at office, employees do not have a choice in their work environment or office setting. If they have a noisy coworkers, they just have to bear with it. Or if the air conditioner is bothering someone, they can't just get up on their turn it off. Yes, Siddharam?
Yes, Shruti. When we are working in an office, it is obviously much easier to meet with all employer and colleges. It is easy to get in touch with them when we need arise and speak about matters related to the company. Also, we can ask to the seniors for any doubt related to the work. Another benefit that comes with working is an office is a learning how to behave yourself in front of others. When you are surrounded by a group of people, we will automatically know that how to speak in front of those peoples. So that moment you step inside an office, remember to create a warm and friendly impressions. In office, we can immediately take meetings and conferences if we see something went wrong in a company. This is most beneficial activity that takes in organizations. If the company got any new project as well as anything related to the company, then they also call a meeting on them. Yes, Aboli, what do you think on it?
Yes, Siddharam, I agreed with your point, and I can say all that time can essentially be saved by telecommuting. Telecommuting simply means working remotely or from home by making full use of the internet, email, and phone. Where there are still some people who enjoy the travel and want a separation of home and office. There are others who think differently. People would rather prefer to spend more time with their family or engage in their hobbies than spend it crossing the traffic. Yes, Jinendra, what do you think about it?
Yes, Aboli. In a popular survey, 47% of employees said they strongly agreed that flexible work arrangements would all do allow me to be productive, and 31% said they somewhat agree. Yes, Agnel, what do you think about it?
Guys, I think work from home also have some negative aspects. I would like to discuss about some of them. The first one is lack of teamwork. As we can see everywhere, people who are working from home working individually. Because of this pandemic, there is presence of the employees in office, so it causing lack of teamwork among organizations manager, employee and subordinators. Most of the difficult thing while working from home is concentration on work. About more than 50% of the employee facing difficulties to concentrate on their work. Because of the surroundings, it include noise from the familiar, neighborhoods, children's, etc. The most commonly faced challenge is technology hiccups. It is painful when you don't have fast and stable connection. Supervision challenges. Now the situation falls under the working from home challenges. Employees have to work without direction and supervisions, which may face many problems. One wrong decision will eventually impact the reputation of the company.
Yes,
अगर
Swapnil, you are right. Yeah, even in modern times, women are expected to take care of home and children. With this responsibility, several women are forced to leave their jobs. The rise in work from home culture is good for them. With this, more women can join in jobs again. What do you think, Marina?
Yeah, Boli, you're going really good. But see, while the employees have a lot of reasons to love working from home, the biggest debate is whether the management team feels the same way about it or not. With the COVID-19 situation, many organizations have had to choose the work from home model all of the sudden. This has presented a new challenge for managers who have never managed a remote workforce before. When working from an office, managers have a clear view of what the team members are working on. They can easily go up to an employee and ask questions or hold short discussions or give a small pep talk if they find someone slacking. But this is not possible if the employees are working from home.
Yes, Meghna, you're right. But I'm adding some point here. In COVID-19 pandemic situation, all the companies are closed and all staff of companies are doing their work from home, and teamwork is by difficult while working from home. Continuously staying at home may make some people feel isolated. But the companies have some advantages and disadvantages of work from home. That is the less expenses for office maintenance. Company can hire talented people even if they reside in another city. Employees may not have asked for some much leaves. And some disadvantages of companies. It's difficult to monitor work from home employees, and training new staff can be taught with all the employees working from home. Yes, Abuli, am I right?
Yes, Shruti, of course you are right. We can definitely say that the location will not be a barrier. Employees can get a job even if the office is located in another city. If we're going towards the disadvantages, in that I can say that the line between work and home will be blurred. In general, employees have work tensions at home, at office, sorry, and come home to relax. But this opportunity will be lost, and it may cause anxiety. If work life and personal life are not balanced well, work will extend to longer hours. This can create work from home burnout. We can also say that employees have to set up a work environment at home, which will incur extra expense. Even then, some people may not focus on work due to the lack of professional atmosphere. And also, some companies are giving so much work just because their employees are working from home. What do you think, Siddharam?
Yes, Aboli. At home, one has the option to optimize their workspace as per their requirements and preferences. But living with a large family, especially with kids, can be equally distracting. If the neighbor is fond of blaring loudspeakers, one can hardly do anything about it. This only affects the focus but can also cause unwanted noises during important phone calls or video conferences. Yes, Marina, what is your opinion on it?
Yeah, you all sorry, we all guys discussed our points very clearly, but we should think that both the topics have advantages, both the topics have disadvantages, positive points, negative points. Some people are satisfied with doing work from office. Some people are happy with doing work from home. But even when all of this ends, the idea of social distancing and the fear of another health hazard will continue to loom over the minds of individuals. Work from home is bound to remain a part of almost every organization across the globe. But does this mean the work from office will be a thing of the past? Can work from home completely replace work from office? No, guys. We can't imagine anything. We can't assume anything. We can't say anything about this topic. It will be uh, continue or it will be stopped. But yeah, let's just continue. Let's just conclude it.
Uh, s- Conclusion of this topic is even though work from home culture is on the rise due to COVID-19 situation, work from home opportunities will increase in number to adapt to the changing times. With times, companies and employees will take steps to reduce the disadvantages.
Yes, thank you for the conclusion, Jinendra. Yes, ma'am, we are done with our GD. Now we are wanted to discuss some questions and answers, and I am going to start with it. Marina, I wanted to ask you a question. Why is remote work better than office?
Okay, Swapnil. See, remote work is very easy. Um Search says that 70 to 85% of remote workers report lower of stress compared to working in an office environment. Um, remote work is very effective. See, people also get some distinct perks on it. Like ma'am said that day, that employees get some incentives, some perks on it. They feel comfortable. Remote work feels when the employees do remote work, they feel comfortable. Well, when they do office work, they don't feel comfortable in office because there are managers, there are their seniors. They can't feel very comfortable on it. So I think remote work is better than office work, and just that's it. Am I clear, Swapnil? Or if you have any doubt, please clear it.
No, Marina. Thank you for giving us your answer.
Yes, Jinendra, I also want to ask one question to you.
Yes, please.
What are the importance of work from offices?
Uh, the office helps in controlling the activities of different people and department of an organization. Though controlling it ensures that the various activities of business are performed with much accuracy. And also, it has got office protects important information of past in a safe manner. So, I'm I'm done with it.
Okay, Jinendra, thank you.
Aboli, I have a question for you. Can I ask?
Yes, Shruti, sure.
How is office helpful in communication?
Uh, okay. I think office communication is necessary to make contacts, understand the goals and objectives, uh, share ideas, convey information, give instruction, and remove misunderstandings among the employees. And I can say that it is a bridge that connects the employees and management of an organization. Yeah, that's it. Are you satisfied with my answer, Shruti?
Yes, Aboli. Thank you.
Yeah. Jinendra, I also have one question for you. Can I ask?
Yes, Abul, please.
Okay. So my question is, how does working from home affect psychological health? What can employers do to make sure that people are staying focused, committed, and happy? What you can say?
Yes, Abuli. People lose the unplanned water cooler or cappuccino conversations with colleagues in remote work. These are actually big and important parts of the workday that have a direct impact on performance and how we do create those virtually. But for some groups and individuals, it will be constant instant messaging and it will be live phone conversations or video conferences. Some people might want to use WhatsApp, WeChat, or Viber, and want to and a manager can encourage those types of contact points for psychological health, and the peoples are not going to be able to figure these things out. Yes, Abuli, I'm done with it.
Thank you, Jinendra.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. We are done with our GD session, and thank you for giving this opportunity to us. We have learned many things while practicing, and I must say, all group members were very supportive and excited while practicing, so that we managed and prepared well. I hope, ma'am, we give all perfect information about this topic. Thank you once again.
Well done. If you were in the class, I would have made the students to clap for you. Really appreciable. Well managed, well articulated students. You all spoke with valid points. Very good. Appreciative. खूप छान
Uh,
केलात तुम्ही. I would really
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
बिकॉज
Thank you, ma'am.
एक सिंक
Thank
होता
you, ma'am.
प्रॉपरली तुमच्यामध्ये तो रेपो
Thank you so
मेंटेन
much,
होता.
ma'am.
या अँड इंट्रोडक्शन दिलात सगळ्यांनी. तुम्ही तो एक पॅटर्न फॉलो केला की चलो आता काय नेमका डिस्कशन आहे, मग पॉझिटिव्ह पॉइंट्स और नेगेटिव्ह पॉइंट्स, and then you kept that it is never ending. Yes, the positive and negative points will be on going on and on. Okay, let's take the feedback from the class. Genuine feedbacks I want from the class. तुम्ही
Shall I say?
yes please.
I like how they respond each other's opinion and then presented their own thoughts. I mean, they used the ads. Especially, I liked Shruti and Marina's give and take.
Okay.
But one thing I felt that some of them, not all, some of them were reading something, not talking or discussing something with each other.
Okay.
Yes, that's it. But overall, I loved the points everyone presented and the discussion. Well done, friends.
Good. Yeah. What about us? We will discuss this point that just now Urmi pointed out. Okay. What about others? Ritika, any feedback on this?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Actually, I would say they were really remarkable on their topic and they discussed it really clearly. It was easy to recognize. They had a really good teamwork, ma'am. It was really nice to hear out. And they had accuracy in their points, so it was really good. Ma'am.
Good. Yeah, she said teamwork. Very good. Teamwork was there and they did well. Appreciative. Right, Ritika. Okay, what about others? संकेत बिराजदार, काय वाटतं? साक्षी,
उत्तम प्रकारे केलेले आहे मॅम त्यांनी.
उत्तम प्रकारे केलंय. अजून काय?
म्हणजे
प्रसन्नजीत.
त्यांनी असं
संकेत.
वाचण्याचं हे दिलं नाही, सगळं
ओके.
असं बोलण्यासाठी सांगितलेलं आहे.
बोला ओंकार.
मॅम देअर टायमिंग मॅम तुमचं टायमिंग मॅम
टायमिंग काय झालं म्हणजे?
म्हणजे
बरोबर होता टायमिंग का नव्हता?
हा येस येस मॅम परफेक्ट होतं मॅम. म्हणजे
Okay,
कुठेही अडखळले नाही.
ओके ओके, कुठेही अडखळले नाहीत. ओके, अजून कोणाला काही कमेंट करायचंय? तुम्ही ग्रुप तुमचं सांगा. तुम्ही असं तुम्हाला वाटतं की तुम्ही तो थोडं रीड आउट केलेला आहे कुठे? बी ट्रू, बी जेन्युइन. वी आर जस्ट हॅव्हिंग अ डिस्कशन.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
आम्ही
ma'am.
थोडंसं read केलं.
Okay, that's the good thing that you kept the honesty. Very good. I appreciate that. Honestly तुम्ही सांगितलात की हो आम्ही कुठेतरी रीड केलो. व्हेरी गुड. काही हरकत नाही. आय नो ग्रुप डिस्कशन आधी टॉपिक दिल्यानंतर आपण पॉइंट्स समोर ठेवतो आणि मग एक एक करून त्याला काय करतो, प्रेझेंट करत जातो. आय डोंट हॅव अ से दॅट यू शुड नॉट डू दिस, कारण आपण हा आधी प्लॅन केलेला आहे. करेक्ट? इट टूक अ 1
Yes, ma'am.
वीक फॉर यू. तुम्ही डिस्कस केलात आणि ऑब्व्हियसली तुम्ही नोट्स प्रिपेअर केले असते. and that is a very primary stage, and I appreciate that you made the written points. कारण कसं आहे, ग्रुप डिस्कशन मध्ये खूप वेळा काही पॉइंट्स जर तुम्ही नोट डाऊन बाय जस्ट त्याचे स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट्स और हेडिंग जरी लिहिला तरी ते डिस्कस करताना खूप उपयोगाचे पडतात. rather many a time when I teach you, I keep some points in written format whenever I tell without using PPT or something. I note it down. PPT वर तर सगळं प्रेझेंट दिसतो, पण ज्यावेळेस बोलताना एक फ्लो असतो की हा चलो स्टार्ट, स्टोरीला जसं स्टार्ट मिडल एंड असतं तर आपण ती स्टोरी समजतो. जर त्याला स्टार्टिंग नाहीये, मिडल नाहीये, एंड नाहीये, तर ती स्टोरी अनएंडेड, ओपन एंडेड राहिली किंवा ते जर कम्प्लिटली ऍक्ट केलेली नसेल तर आपल्याला त्याचं कन्फ्युजन राहतं और ते तसंच इनकम्प्लीट राहतं. ग्रुप डिस्कशन तुमच्यामध्ये मी म्हणून म्हटलं की सिंक होता, एक प्रॉपर फ्लो होता त्यामध्ये. आणि या ऋतिकाने पॉइंट आउट केली की टीमवर्क होतं. रिमार्केबली यू प्रेझेंटेड, शी सेड दॅट येस, इवन आय अग्री विथ हर. तुम्ही तो कनेक्टिंग वर्ड तुम्हाला जसे वापरता येईल तसे वापरलात, तुम्ही एकमेकांना क्वेश्चन विचारलात आणि एकमेकाला प्रॉप केलं की नाव व्हॉट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस पॉइंट, देन द अदर पर्सन कॅरीज द फर्दर थिंग. चांगला होता, ॲप्रिशिएटिव्ह, खूप छान वाटलं आणि इट वॉज रिअली सक्सेसफुल, आय मस्ट से दॅट. अँड या त्याचे रिपोर्ट तुम्ही स्वतः जो डिस्कशन केलात, सी हे त्याचं रेकॉर्ड तुमच्याकडे ठेवा. लाईक रिटर्न मध्ये एखादा तुम्ही जो डिस्कशन केला त्याचं एक रिपोर्ट तयार असेल तर तो रिपोर्ट ठेवा तुमच्याकडे. पुढे जाऊन कसं हे पुढे जाऊन तुम्हाला युजफुल होतात. तुम्हाला नाही माहिती आता ते तुम्ही जे केलंय ते किती चांगलं केलं किंवा किती महत्वाचं आहे. आता सध्या तुम्हाला त्याचं इम्पॉर्टन्स, त्याचं व्हायटॅलिटी नाही कळणार. पुढे ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही ऍक्च्युअल असे सिनेरियोज फेस कराल तेव्हा तुम्हाला हे खूप उपयोगाचे पडतील. दीज आर द first steps that you are taking. Very good. And led by the group was really, leader was very good. Swapnil, you did well. He communicated beforehand. Yesterday he called and asked what should we do, how are we are going to do this way. Adi conclusion घेऊ दे का मग question answers. That promptness was appreciated. Very good, Swapnil. Kudos to your work.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.